Well, if you're just finishing up Thanksgiving, headed out Black Friday shopping, might be a little rain, but not very much. And maybe a couple sprinkles or a very, very, very light rain shower later this evening, tonight, and Friday morning. But most of the time, it's just going to be clouds out there and tiny, tiny amounts of rain. Our next chance to warm up a little more tomorrow. Should be back above 80 degrees, but by Saturday, could hit 90 in some areas. Ahead of another cold front coming in. That front should cool us off on Sunday with temperatures back in the 70s primarily by Sunday afternoon. And we stay kind of nice like that with a lower humidity for a few more days. Right now, if you are headed out the door for some shopping, it's in the mid 60s and just cloudy. And might be a little fog late tonight as well, but it's primarily clear fog across the valley. Now, temperatures in the mid 60s, 65 in Port Isabel, 67 in Harlingen. Notice overnight tonight, temperatures barely change. They may go up or down a couple degrees, but kind of stay right there in the mid 60s or so most of the night, with maybe a little bit of drizzle or sprinkles possible in spots as some warmer, more humid weather tries to move back in late tonight for tomorrow. First 1.5 Doppler network has no rain on it. And then when we look at your day planner for tomorrow, it should start off in the morning. Generally with clouds, maybe a sprinkle possible, some patchy fog possible. Temperatures could be back up around the 70-degree mark, warming to the low 80s by afternoon with partly to mostly cloudy skies around and getting a little more humid. Some areas up in the mid 80s by afternoon. A lot of areas may be kind of holding in the upper 70s in Starr County if the clouds aren't able to get out of there. So kind of break it down a little bit more. Your day planner, 60s in the morning in Starr County, 70s by afternoon. And if the clouds are able to break up because the warm air will be coming back in from the southeast, you may start to see maybe some breaks in the clouds during the afternoon. If the clouds stay thicker, could stay in the 70s all day, but if the sun breaks through, you could reach the low 80s. Parts of the mid-valley generally in the upper 70s and lower 80s in the afternoon. Your high temperature in between there, noon and 5 p.m. And then closer to the coast, could be a little warmer, more humid early as the warm air tries to get there first, but with the cooler water temperatures around, temperatures may stay in the 70s, but there's a chance of fog at the coast as well in some spots tonight and tomorrow morning. Satellite radar shows, again, no rain right now. It's just a lot of low clouds, and when we expand this out, there are a few showers to the south, and some of this coming back up may clip parts of the valley tonight. So none of this is going to be heavy, but if you're outdoors overnight, you might get a quick little sprinkle or a very, very light rain shower. Future Track tries to show this trend overnight. You see by 11 p.m. already shows a couple sprinkles and a light rain shower, but everything moving south to north, indicating the flow in the atmosphere, trying to come back and warm us up again. And I think the warmer weather will start to break through a little more tomorrow afternoon. So as that happens, though, anytime in the morning, there still might be a sprinkle or a tiny shower in spots, but generally a warmer day and a little breezy at times near the coast in the afternoon. By Saturday, we break out into more sunshine. As that happens, too, temperatures could take off with the added sunshine. We may see temperatures back above 90 degrees in the upper valley. And here it is, a broad view on Future Track. In case you are traveling tomorrow, warm front lifts north, but no big rain across Texas. Could be a couple of light rain showers, but still a lot of clouds around the state on Friday. And with the next cold front coming in on Saturday, not any big rain with it, but some showers along the front. As it gets close in the valley, that's where we could see a couple of showers late Saturday night and Sunday morning, but very, very little rain. I think most of you will not see any rain or very, very little rain over the next 7 days. So highs back in the low 80s tomorrow, 91 on Saturday, back down into the 70s and lower humidity on Sunday. From Sunday, though, through Monday and Tuesday, nice weather, highs in the 70s. Cooler nights, lower humidity, not too windy either. If you enjoy that type of weather, get out those days. Could warm up a little more late next week, back above 80 by either Wednesday or Thursday, but once again, not a lot of rain in the forecast. We'll keep tracking those changes for your holiday weekend and your first 1-5 forecast here throughout the evening.